Alright, just take a look at me, okay? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. All right. Happy birthday. Birthday to you. One moment before you blow. We need to have a speech from Nanay. Say something. Say something to your children, your apo, and everything, and to the visitors. Say something.
Oh, I'm happy we're all together here. It's my birthday.
All right. Thank you. Oh, blow, Nanay, blow, blow, blow. It's okay. There you go. Alright, this is a very what do you call this? Very remarkable day for us, especially with everybody and visitors, you know. And
Happy birthday, everyone! Happy New Year sa inyo lahat!
Happy birthday po at maraming salamat po sa mga naitulong niyo po sa amin, sa ating pamilya. Maraming salamat po.
Hello po, Ate. Happy 5th birthday po. Sana po gumaling na po kayo. Lumakas na yung katawan niyo po. Thank you so much po. Ingat po kayo palagi.
Hi, Ante. Happy 80th birthday po. Enjoy your birthday po. Sana po gumaling na po kayo. Ingat po kayo dyan palagi.
Hello Bante, happy 80th birthday po. Best wishes po is more birthdays to come and good health at sana po gumaling na po kayo. Happy 80th birthday po.
Hi po Ante, happy birthday po. Sana po gumaling na po kayo at ingat po kayo palagi dyan.
Hi, Ante. Happy birthday po. Sana po gumaling na po kayo. Ingat po kayo palagi dyan. Bye-bye po.
Hi po Ante, happy 80th birthday po. Sana gumaling na po kayo, mag-ingat po kayo palagi dyan. Bye po.
Hi, Ante. Happy birthday po. Ingat po kayo, Uncle. Thank you.
Hello po, Ante. Mag-ingat po kayo ni Uncle.
Happy birthday, Ante! Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!
Thanks to the world!
Hello, Ate Norma! Happy 80th birthday! God bless you always. Stay safe and healthy. Hooray! Happy birthday, Ate! I love you! Magpagaling ka! Ate, happy birthday! I love you! Pagaling ka, Ate, para makapag-bakasyon kayo dito. Love you! Love you!
Happy birthday, Lola Norma!
happy birthday, Auntie Norma. Wish you more birthdays to come. Good health and long life. Wish you.
Hello Ante, happy birthday. Sana lagi kang malusog, mag-ingat ka palagi. Happy birthday, happy New Year. Sa inyong lahat yan. Thank you so much sa mga pinadala niyo sa akin. I love you.
Happy birthday, Auntie Norma. Wishing you more birthdays to come. May your birthdays filled with love and joy. Take care always. Love, lots.
Happy birthday, Auntie Norma. Wish you more birthdays to come. Good health and long life. Wish you.
Karawan natin, Norma. Ingat ka palagi. Win ko tayo ulit pag uwi mo. Love you, love you.
Birthday, Lola Norma. Good health and long life. Happy New Year po. From Lucena Caranto family. Mwah.
Happy 80th birthday, Ante. Good health and long life. Happy New Year from Lucena Caranto family.
Auntie Norma, happy birthday, mampakasil kayo. Kumusta kira namin ditan?
Hi Auntie, happy 80th birthday. Sana gumaling na kayo para makapunta na kayo dito ulit. Kasi namimiss na kita, kayong dalawa ni Papang. Sana umaba pa yung buhay nyo. Happy birthday and Happy New Year. I love you.
Hi Auntie, happy 80th birthday. Sana gumaling na kayo at makarating kayo rito sa Pilipinas dahil ako ang inyong personal driver at namimiss namin yung pagpunta natin sa Max. Daily routine natin po yun sa Divine Mercy at higit sa lahat sa Manawag. At yung sana kayo ni Papang laging malakas, palakas kayo dahil namimiss na namin kayo. Happy birthday uli, Happy New Year!
I love you.
I love you!
Happy birthday po, Lola Norma. Wish ko po sana po maging malakas ka po palagi. Merry Christmas po and happy birthday, Lola Norma. Wish ko lagi maging malakas po kayo. Happy New Year.
Christmas, Auntie! Wow, programmer! Happy birthday! Ay, Auntie!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Mother Norma!
Happy New Year! Hi, Auntie! Happy birthday! I love you!
Happy birthday, Lola Norma! Happy New Year!
Happy birthday, Lola Norma. Happy New Year.
Happy birthday! Ilang po?
Hi, Lola! Happy birthday!
Hi, Auntie!
Happy
birthday!
Merry Christmas!
Happy birthday, happy birthday,